Welcome guys, Lippy is here, and today I'm gonna try to fix this power supply which I took off the Power Mac G4 that I have fixed in my last video, and hopefully in the end of the video I'm gonna put it back into the Power Mac and power it up. I'm gonna use my iFixit kit, sadly not sponsored, but I'm interested in it, iFixit, and I will try to disassemble it. This is the part where the big red text will shown as "Don't try this at home." First I will unscrew these 3 screws, and hopefully that will be enough for us to get inside. But it seems like it's not that easy, and there are 2 screws on the other side too. We will unscrew that with their metal brackets. And as I removed the last bracket, hopefully the power supply will come apart this time. And it is. So it's a fairly decent 208 watt power supply. And I'm gonna try not to kill myself while testing the continuity in the PSU to check if most of the things are wired correctly or still in their correct position. This is a boring part, so probably I will cut it out and skip to the interesting part. Everything seemed fine, so I went ahead and removed the fuse. It's a simple 220 volt 8 amp fast fuse, and it looks like it's blown because my multimeter does not beep. And I have a spare one that I'm gonna show that how it should work, and my multimeter beeps, unlike with the bad one. Hopefully the only thing that I have to fix is the fuse. It's the same 220 volt 8 amp fuse, so if there any problem in the power supply, it should blow too as the old one. The fuse's location is under the main plug, and it was really hard to get it out, and it will be much harder to get it back in than taking it out. Cut to the part where I got it in. The PSU still seems fine, and I will plug it in to the wall with an extension cord so I can remotely turn it on, and hopefully if anything goes wrong I won't blow myself up. Plugging it in, and let's see what we got here. Turning it on. As far as I see, it was a fail. So this power supply is definitely dead. And now I know why the fuse was blown. But Electro Boom would have been so proud of me, because my house's ground fault protection worked perfectly in this situation, and it shut off the house's current immediately.